Walid was a busy man. Every day he woke up early and felt refreshed. He quickly brushed his teeth and washed his face with cold water. He got dressed in a smart shirt and trousers, feeling confident and ready for the day. He had breakfast, which was always a simple meal of toast, eggs, and coffee. He felt energized and focused after eating. He then checked his emails, responded to messages from students, and prepared for his lessons. At 9 a.m., he started his first English class with a group of eager students. He was patient, encouraging, and helpful, making sure everyone understood the materials. He used various techniques, such as role plays, games, and real-life situations, to make the lesson fun and engaging. He felt proud when he saw the students making progress. At noon, Walid took a break and had a light lunch of soup and a sandwich. He relaxed and listened to music, feeling happy and relaxed. After lunch, he continued teaching, working with different groups of students until 5 p.m. He then did some exercise, such as jogging or weightlifting, feeling fit and strong. In the evening, Walid spent some time working on his YouTube channel and Facebook page. He edited videos, wrote articles, and interacted with his followers. He felt motivated and inspired by the positive feedback he received. He hoped to reach as many people as possible and help them speak English fluently. Before bed, Walid meditated and prayed, feeling calm and relaxed. He then read a book, feeling knowledgeable and well-informed. Finally, he went to sleep, knowing that he had done his best to make a difference in this world and in Iraq in particular. Adjectives: busy, busy, refreshed, refreshed, confident, confident, simple, simple, eager, eager, patient, patient, encouraging, encouraging, helpful, helpful, proud, proud, relaxed, relaxed, happy, happy, healthy, healthy, fit, fit, strong, strong, motivated, motivated, inspired, inspired, calm, calm, knowledgeable, knowledgeable, content, content. Verbs: woke up, woke up, brushed, brushed, washed, washed, got dressed, got dressed, had, had, checked, checked, responded, responded, prepared, prepared, started, started, used, used, made, made, took, took, relaxed, relaxed, listened, listened, continued, continued, did, did, spent, spent, edited, edited, wrote, wrote, interacted, interacted, hoped, hoped, reached, reached, meditated, meditated, read, read, went, went,